Call on and acknowledge the presence of Franco's aunt, who comes all the way from Norway to be a part of this dedication, Mrs. Edsho Holtnes, together with his son, Paul Joshua Holtnes. Next, may I now call on Pastor Arnel Ines and Sister Irene Ines. Pastor Mario Moncal and Sister Mary Ann Moncal. Pastor Generoso Ines and Sister Marilyn Ines. May I call on the sponsors here in front? Brother Ronnie Aki and Mrs. Florence Aki, Brother Reden Bautista and Sister Dionisia Bautista, Brother Michael Pedrosa and Sister Imelda Grace Pedrosa, Brother Sherwin Del Rosario and Sister Pearl Joy Del Rosario, Brother Eric Luna and Sister Remedy Luna, Brother Alimar Messina and Sister Cherry Messina, Brother Eric Baisus and Sister Leonila Baisus, Brother Michael Medico and Sister Lucille Medico, Brother Kenneth de la Cruz and Sister Angelica de la Cruz, Brother Aris Detiquis and Sister Beverly Detiquis, Brother Alan Carada and Sister Minerva Carada, Brother John Paul Matias and Sister Genevieve Matias, Brother Rodel Roda and Sister Marichu Roda, Brother Rudy Ferratero and Sister Jamarine Ferratero, Brother Reggie Rosal and Sister Joely Rosal, Sister Evelyn Apor, Sister Maria Luisa Abel, Sister Malu Katrina Onario, Brother Aaron Isaac Ines, Sister Sason Botoy, Brother Johnny Astrero, Sister Christina Abigail Narisma, Brother Cyrus Listones, Sister Myra Jenny Yap, Sister Mary Jane Ines, Sister Irene Calangla, Brother Gilbert William Moore, Sister Joan Canta, Sister Helen Ong, Sister May Rio Valdez, Brother Benedict Moyo, Sister Irene Calaunan, Brother Jeffrey Anadon, Brother Ron Ordones, Sister Adora Bolo, Brother Joselito Mendoza, Brother Pioli Leona, Sister Julian Lucasao, Sister Vicky Avarientos, Brother Abraham Limbong Pogod, Brother Abraham Isor, Sister Ivy Oravan, Brother Edmund Lanyo, Brother Harold Villarin, Sister Sanet Vista, Brother Yuki Fernandez, Sister Cherry Macapobre, Sister Chona Macapobre, Brother Rory Molejo, Brother Arnold Napenas, Brother June Clemente. And the rest of you who are present to share in the witnesses of this blessed time. May we now call on our dear Pastor Arnel Ines to preside this dedication.
This is a very important time to celebrate this time of dedication of Francine. I hope that all of you came here as sponsors Ninong and Ninang. You are not coming only this day, but you are always visiting this family just to share and have ideas about how to build up or how to build this child in the perfect understanding and knowledge of the Lord. Amen. And pray that all these Ninong and Nina will continually supporting the family of Franco and Grace and even Francis, a covenant between you and the children and the child. Amen. You are here because I don't want to see pastor. I don't want to see members of the church. The most important thing is covenant, a commitment that you are committing yourself to the child. And all of you here standing in front, you are here because you are committing yourself, of course, first of all to God and first to this child. It is not a joke. Again, it is not a joke to call you to be part of this celebration. It is not because you want to become Ninong and Nina only one day. It is not like that. You are not called to be Ninong and Nina for one day, but you are called to be Ninong and Nina sponsor for the rest of the life of this child. Pastor, I want to say yes, we will. Yes, I do. I want you to hear from your word. Ninong and Nina, I want you to be honest and genuine of your answers. Amen. Will you want the very best for Francine? That unconditional love, which is the great essential element in an atmosphere for growth? Amen. Lahat ba nagsalita? I want to hear that. To all Ninong and Nina, sponsor, will you provide Francine healing from the hearts and pain which are part of living? Amen. Will you give Francine a listening ear so you may know and understand what Francine really think and care about? Amen. Mamaya we will sign a contract covenant. So, will you give Francine laughter so that their heart or her heart may be filled with joy and pleasure and the healing comfort of tears when there is pain? Will you provide Francine safety to extend that is within our possibilities? To Ninong and Nina, listen, I uttered and you say yes, it is a covenant between you and Francine and to this family. You are not here because of propaganda. You are not here because I'm a Ninong. I'm proud to be Ninong and Nina. You are here because you have a big responsibility and task to allow this child to grow and mature in the knowledge of God. Again, I will turn my face to you, Franco and Grace. In dedicating this child to the Lord, and by giving this child a name, you declare, Franco and Grace, that you will respect her as herself and give her the freedom to grow. We perform this ceremony publicly to declare that you as parents, Franco and Grace, are the primary responsible for the care and development of this child. It is your task to give her a world of peace and justice in which to grow. It is your task to share with her your ideals, your hopes, and your faith in God through Jesus Christ. I hope you understand this, Franco. You are the one who are going to share peace and justice that she will be able to grow. It is your responsibility, Franco and Grace, to share your ideas to her and even your hopes and your faith in God through Jesus Christ.